ਉਹ ਦੇਖੋ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਫੇਰ ਦੌੜ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਦੇਖੋ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ
So I think my PowerPoint presentation, somehow they could not manage to bring it on the system, so I just thought I'll speak about the initiatives we have taken, because there are, I find, people from the banking sector here who will be talking about the various financial inclusion social security schemes of Government of India, the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana and the other social security schemes they are going to cover. So I will only talk about, two of the things that what Chandigarh is doing in the direct benefit transfer. So in Chandigarh, all the centrally sponsored schemes as well as the state schemes, there are 22 of them across the departments in social welfare, in higher education and health even department, the Janani Suraksha Yojana. So all of them, all money transfers happens through direct benefit transfers. Including like even, I'm also the Secretary Food in Chandigarh, so we have also done this, direct benefit transfer in food grains. So what happened in the food grains is that the subsidy amount gets directly transferred. So we have opened up a society, so there is a government public financial management system which is run by the Government of India. So through that, the subsidy amount directly goes to the account of the beneficiaries, and they are free to buy food grains from the market. And this subsidy amount is calculated at 25% over and above the market price, so that it can over and above the MSP, so that it can cater to the market price. So we have two categories of households. There are priority households and the Antodaya households who get this amount. And we had done a detailed survey. So all of this subsidy goes through the Aadhaar-linked bank accounts. In Chandigarh, we have over 85% Aadhaar coverage, I think 90%. Them to draw their money, because most of these bank accounts were of the women, so that the food subsidy amount goes to the women who can draw the money and use it properly. So they helped them, filling up the surveys, or they also took the feedback from them that if any problem is coming. And through all the Sampark centers in the city, so we have opened it up that any new persons who want to be enrolled under this scheme, because the limit for this scheme is about 1.5 lakh per annum, the income limit. So anybody who wants to enroll is also welcome to be enrolled. So at present we have some 43,000 families who are enrolled under the scheme, but every month the number is increasing. And on the first of every month, the amount goes to the account of the people. So people no longer have to stand in those long queues outside outside the PDS shops, and they can easily buy the food grains from anywhere across the city. In fact, the UN food program representatives had come from Belgium and France, and they also appreciated a lot about this. And this was the first initiative done in India, and Chandigarh became the first city where this has been done. Likewise, Chandigarh is now embarking on a kerosene-free city mode. So from 1st of April, so we are closing down all the subsidized kerosene depots in Chandigarh. So So what we done is we had been working for a period of 2 years. It has not happened overnight. So one, we encouraged people to shift over to the LPG, and all the people who were availing the kerosene subsidy. So we took all their the UID and their account details of the whole family members. Like one of the representative was sitting at the kerosene depot, so that all the people who were availing the subsidized kerosene oil. So their details of Aadhaar, they were linked with those of the LPG database. And we found out, the people had LPG cylinder and still they were availing subsidized kerosene oil. So likewise, which they are not supposed to as per the law. So likewise, so we cut down the number of people. So initially the number of people who was 68,000, it came down to almost 17,000 in last year December. And which is further getting down. And out of this 17,000, 3,000 are the BPL families. Now all the oil companies, they have this corporate social responsibility scheme under which they offer a free gas cylinder and a connection to the BPL families. So that scheme has been opened for the last 3 months and people are availing under that. And for the APL families, there are about 14,000. We did a sample survey, like are people actually using kerosene, and we found that only 20% of them are actually using kerosene. 80% of them are still using LPG. So we are still into that way of cutting down the numbers, and from 14,000 this number has further come down to about 10,000. But at the same time we are launching a scheme in Chandigarh for March and April, offering people that the capital cost of getting the LPG connection and regulator comes to around 1,740 rupees. So we will finance it through our revolving fund, and you can pay back to us from the refill cylinder subsidy. So 150 rupees at subsidy, 160 rupees, something like that. So every time they refill, so that subsidy will be coming to our account. So we will recover the capital cost over a period of time. So this is just to facilitate the people to get into the LPG mode very quickly. Also we are going to have a piped natural gas connection in Chandigarh very soon. From April onward it's starting, and the rehabilitation colony in Dhanas is going to be our first target. So as a Department of Food, so we are looking into that holistic picture so that we can get it done. Now another issue which is coming up is we are taking up an intensive awareness campaign on this kerosene free city in the month of March. And white kerosene, which is like, this is another issue which we are taking up, that should, white kerosene, which is at the market price kerosene, should it be available in the city for use of industrial uses or for emergency uses by the public. So this thing is still open for debate and for discussion.